If you have a size chart and an image that perfectly suits your products, recreating it from scratch can be time consuming. But no worries, the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender app lets you import size charts directly from an image. With Sizing Image AI, you can automatically extract size tables in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. To begin, open your Kiwi app dashboard, then click Add New Size Chart in the upper right corner. A pop-up will appear with different options. You can choose from pre-made templates, build one from scratch, or import size table, which is what we're doing here. From this tab, select Import from Image. Now you have two options. Upload an image from your device or paste an image URL. Let's go ahead and choose our image. No worries, uploaded the wrong one. Just click Change Image to upload the correct file. It won't cost you another credit. Next, you can crop the image to improve accuracy before scanning. Once everything looks good, hit Generate Size Chart, and the Sizing Image AI will detect the size table. You'll also see an option for Use Tables Only. Set this to Yes if you just want the size table, or No if you want to include any extra text. When you're happy with the result, click Use this size chart to add it to your Kiwi Size Charts. And that's it. Your size chart is ready to go. If you have any questions, Kiwi Support is always happy to help.